You ever had that awkward moment when you're watching your favorite movie or TV show in the dark, and you're fumbling with the remote because you want to go back a scene or two, but end up hitting an entirely different button? So have millions of other people, and we usually wonder, why don't manufacturers add a light source to our remote controls? Well, we got tired of waiting for them to do that, so we did it ourselves. Introducing the new Lazelight TV Remote Control Mini LED Torch. Lazelight Mini LED Torch allows you to illuminate your remote control for use in the dark, so you don't have to reach for your mobile phone to launch a flashlight app, the light switch, or strain your eyes trying to find your remote control buttons. It's very sleek and can work with just about any type of TV and PVR remote controls. Simply attach your Lazelight to the side of your remote control using the magnetic stick plate, also called the holder. Flip it up to turn it on when you need the light, and at your convenience, detach it from the stick plate when not in use, or for use on a different remote, or as a standalone torch with spare stick plates. It's small, the light intensity is bright enough to cast light on your remote or other items in close range, the brightness won't disturb your partner or roommate, and it's powered by a rechargeable battery which can be charged with a standard micro USB cable, saving you the stress and cost of replacing batteries. Lazelight Mini LED Torch is easy for anyone of any age to use, if your vision is less than perfect, or if you're just a fan of watching movies in the dark. Lazelight Mini LED Torch also suits carrying around for everyday use, lighting up devices in dark spaces anytime, anywhere. It comes in handy for finding stuff in a handbag, finding a keyhole at night, lighting dark paths, looking for something in the dark for emergencies, or night walks. So folks, we are so close to finalizing this project, but we need your help to start manufacturing Lazelight. Back this project today, and let's make it a reality. Lazelight, perfect little torch.